Oftentimes, when you are dealing with literature analysis, you're going to be given a prompt, and that prompt is going to guide what you want to write. And so, our introduction needs to address the prompt, and it's really important that it does. So, this is the prompt that you've been given, or a prompt similar to the one that you've been given. So a symbol is an object, action, or event that represents something or that expresses a range of associations beyond itself. In literary works, a symbol can express an idea or clarify meaning. In a well-written response, discuss how Kurt Vonnegut utilizes symbols and Harrison Bergeron to help convey the theme that our differences are what makes the world a wonderful place to the reader. This prompt is nice because it's given us exactly what we need to focus on. So it says we need to talk about this theme, and it's given us the theme, and then it's talked about the symbols that we need to focus on. So when I write my introduction, I want to use a bump set spike formula. So our metaphor is volleyball. When you're playing volleyball and the other team hits the ball across to you, you want to bump it first, then set it up, then spike it. Bumping it means that you hit it in the fleshy parts of your forearms, and the purpose of bumping it is to slow the ball down, because usually it's coming at you after someone has spiked it, and you want to slow it down so that you can control it, and that's what the bump is for. And then to set, you set the ball up so that the next person can hit it across the net and hopefully score on the other team. So that's what we want to do with our intros in lit analysis, is we want to slow the prompt down, show them that we can handle it, and we do that with a fluff sentence. And then to set it up, we want to identify the title and the author of the piece. And then for our spike, we're going to address everything from the prompt in the thesis statement. So I've written an intro. I'm not going to write an intro for Harrison Bergeron because that's what you all will be doing. I am going to write an intro about a book called Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe. So here's my fluff. Symbols in literature often help us as readers to extend our own understanding of what we are reading. A good symbol will imprint itself upon our consciousness and remain with us for years to come. So I do my fluff sentence. I set up my intro. I don't want to hit the reader in the face with my thesis statement. I want to ease them in. I want to show them that I can control this prompt, and I understand what I'm supposed to be writing about. Then I say, in Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart, I'm setting it up. I'm identifying the title and the author of the piece of literature that I'm going to be discussing. So in Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart, the machete functions as a symbol of masculinity and helps the reader to understand that violence is usually not the best answer to our problems. So I identify what symbol I want to focus on, and then I talk about what it is a symbol of. I say it's a symbol of masculinity, and then I say it helps readers to understand, and then I get into the theme. Now, I was not given a theme because I'm coming up with this on my own, but in yours you are. That our differences make the world a wonderful place. So that would be the theme that you would be addressing right here. So hopefully that helps you understand how to do a quick, easy lit analysis intro, bump set spike, get it done, and then you'll be all right.